Swear so we have to live lavish to the day, man. Take a boat, go my family.
Nationwide news understands that the primary school teacher Natalie Dawkins, who had been missing for several days, has been found dead. Miss Dawkins' body was found today in an advanced state of decomposition. The body of the teacher was found in Sandy Bay area of Clarendon. Miss Dawkins has been missing since Tuesday last week. The Caribbean-based primary school teacher is believed to have been abducted by gunmen. Miss Dawkins' handbag was found last week along the Spanish Town leg of Highway 2000. Her motor vehicle was recovered earlier this week by the police. So it seems like them kill her, them actually found her body right now because she's been missing from last week, and a couple of days ago they found her car. So it seems like after searching and searching, they finally found her body. I'm not sure how she was killed, but I'll update y'all on any more news about her. But as me say, them found her body and the body was in a decomposition state. So say I guess she was killed and her body dash away a one place and did a take time rotten. You see me I say, yeah man. Sorry if it say that way still, but it is what it is. So them say them find 2 suspects, but I'm not sure if them are the actual killer for Miss Dawkins. But sooner or later, them are going to find a right person who would do it. So if the person them in a custody did the killing, well, them are going to get life in prison. So you don't know how that goes. So R.I.P. to Natalie Dawkins. Right now, her family is supposed to be in a shock right now because they've been searching for her and them offer $1 million to anybody who could have find her. Is what I say, yeah man, but them find her body decomposed. So it's really sad to see that really happen because so much females are getting raped, killed, and the cycle just continue. Is what I say. So R.I.P. to Natalie Dawkins. May your soul rest in peace, and we just hope them find the actual person who did this to you. Is what I say, so we can get justice for you. So R.I.P. to Natalie Dawkins. I hope your soul rest in peace.